Hi. So we're basically gonna be making our Arduino project. It's gonna be a hand washing timer for coronavirus. What you need? Okay, this is the basic starter kit Elegoo. I have an Amazon link to it in the description below. Distance sensor. I also have an Amazon link to it. This description below. This project uses some code from our other person's project. His other person's project will also be in the description below. Okay, so for the basic starter kit, just lay everything out on like a table, on the carpet, or any place that's not dirty. Don't do it on the carpet because carpets are pretty dirty. Grab the Arduino. Place it here. Place it here, bam. Okay, grab the breadboard. Do you see the breadboard that has the minus here and then the plus here? This is what it's supposed to be. It's not supposed to be the other way around. It's not supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be like this. Place it next to the Arduino. Okay, now I'm gonna move that aside. Do you see the distance sensor? This distance sensor has these small words on it. Let me try get my camera to position correctly to show these small words. These words are VIC, trig, echo, and ground. Okay, so we're gonna be doing something with that. Okay. This is a female to male connected. This part is female, this part is male, so it's called female to male connector wire. Get the female part. Okay, I'm using the color purple and connect it to the part of your distance sensor that says VIC. I'm gonna show you how it looks. Okay, so I have this. I connected to the part that says VIC. Okay, I remember this color, that the connected color I used is purple. Now, do the same for basically all the parts. Okay, so the camera's gonna take a look. Okay, so the first part is named VIC, the second part is named trig, the third part is named ground. The third part is named echo, the fourth part is named ground. So this is a female to male connected wire. I connected to the distance sensor. Bam. Okay, this color is purple. I memorized that. Okay. So this color is blue and it's connected to the trig pin for the distance sensor. I remember that. Remember these to connect these tight, okay? At the end of these, the cable should at least be a bit tidy. Let me tidy those. Okay, bam. It should be like this tidy. It's not that tidy, but like, bam, like this. Okay. So one last look at it. Okay, now I'm gonna put this aside. Grab the Arduino and the breadboard again. Okay, grab a preferably red cord or red male to male, because this side is male, this side is also male. Okay, now do you see the Arduino, right? This part is to, now we connect this part to 5 volts. Connect it here. Connect this part to 5 volts. Okay, and then the end part here is connected is connected to the end part here. Is connected to the plus sign here. So bam. So let's see how it looks. Bam. So this part on the Arduino is supposed to be called 5 volt and is connected here. Nice, right? Now grab a black wire. Bam. Black wire. It's male to male. Now plug it into the Arduino. Plug into the Arduino. Plug into the one of the ground pins. It should be plugged in to this ground pin. Now, if it's connected, plugged into the ground pin, plug it into the minus. Okay, bam. So the black thing is for the minus, the red thing is for the plus. And then it should be connected, so the red thing should be connected to 5 volt on the Arduino, and the black thing should be connected to ground on the Arduino. Nice. Okay, now this is the part where you grab back the distance sensor. You grab back the distance sensor, right? Okay, so my distance sensor, basically one of the parts is named VCC. I'm gonna find the connector that connects to VCC on the distance sensor. I see this is the connector that connects to VCC on the distance sensor. I'm gonna connect it here to the plus sign. Bam. Okay, I find the connector that's plugged into ground on the distance sensor. So this is the connector. So the white for me is the connector that connects to ground on the distance sensor. Connect that to the minus on the breadboard. Connect this to the minus on the breadboard. Bam. Okay, so now you have wires, right? So have the connector that's connected to trig on the distance sensor. Mine is blue, yours is probably a different color. That's connected to trig. Connect that to 12 on the Arduino, which means connected to the 12 slot on the Arduino. Connected to here. So this is the trig that is connected to the distance sensor, connected to a 12 on the Arduino. Okay, this wire, this gray wire, is connected to echo on the distance sensor. Connect this to 11 on the Arduino. Okay, this is how it should look.